patient die, sir? Because the baby in the stomach of that patient died 3 days before, and they never cleaned and took out that dead baby from the stomach of that patient, sir. And madam had promised that she will inquire upon within 1 month and give a report. What happened about that, sir? So many patients are dying, sir, and nobody is bothered, sir. And मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ हुकूमत के साथ. All these doctors, all these educated people, sir, they come in very less percentage to poll and to vote, sir. वोट डालने वाला गरीब आदमी होता है, and the poor man only comes out to vote for all political parties. We are not concerned and bothered about a poor man, and we are more bothered about this. Doctors, on one doctor, a government spends 5 lakhs rupees, sir. Honorable Roshia Sahab also came on record and said that 3.5 lakhs rupees they spend. In spite of his spending so much of money on one doctor, sir, what are they doing the duty, sir? And what is this bill, sir? A representative. Today, sir, today you are in power, sir. Tomorrow, if you come in opposition, if you have to go to your constituency hospital and you go and talk to the doctor, and they'll go and lodge a complaint against you. What is this bill, sir? I request that please send this to select committee. If not, make it properly balanced.
Yes.
For the doctors and at the same time for the common man, the poor man who goes to the hospital with a hope and anticipation that the dying patient, madam was saying that, and honorable member was saying that in government hospital patient come only when they are at the verge of dying. No, madam. They don't come when they are at the verge of dying. When their finances totally die, they do not have money, then they go to the government hospital. They do not have money. They are the poor patient. They are the poor people. They are the common man who votes for the political parties, who votes for all of us. We should think about those people, sir. Usmania Hospital, they are CT scan. At times it works, it doesn't. Generator, no diesel. It works or no. No proper facilities, sir. No kits are there. No samples are there. No blood is there in the blood bank. No proper doctors are there. If we really want to protect the doctors, sir, let us give the full infrastructure, full manpower, full facilities, then only, sir.
Yes.
If somebody is working properly, why do they need protection,
Clarification.
So my clarification is only this, sir.
Yes.
I have already asked for a clarification.
Yeah.
Clarification. What about the grievance, sir, of the common man?
Yes.
అధ్యక్ష, వారు చెప్పినవన్నీ నోట్ చేసుకున్నాను అధ్యక్ష. తప్పకుండా పూర్ పీపుల్కి సహాయం చేయడానికి ఈ ప్రభుత్వం ఎప్పుడు ముందుంటుంది. అవన్నీ కూడా విచారించి తగిన చర్యలు తీసుకుంటాము. అదేవిధంగా ప్రతిపక్షాలందరూ కూడా పిలిచి, ఫ్లోర్ లీడర్స్ అందరూ కూడా పిలిచి ఒక మీటింగ్ పెట్టి తగిన సూచనలు సలహాలు తీసుకొని మరి తప్పకుండా ఇవన్నీ కూడా చేస్తామని చెప్పి గౌరవ సభ్యులకు మనవి చేసుకుంటున్నాను అధ్యక్ష. అదేవిధంగా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నాను, ఈ ప్రభుత్వం ప్రతి చిట్ట చివరి పేదవాడి వరకు ఏ పేదవాడు కూడా మరణించకూడదనే ఉద్దేశంతోనే